Ava, why is it so quiet?
I don't hear Mom.
Mom always wakes us up.
Ben, it's 7 o'clock!
What? We're late for school!
Oh no, what do we do?
Why is the house so peaceful today? No alarm, no wake up kids. 7, that's strange. Iris, sis, are you awake? Iris? Oh no. Iris, wake up. It's 7. What? No, my alarm. Oh, I didn't hear my alarm. You look exhausted. I worked until almost midnight. I was so tired. You never wake up late. The kids are gonna panic.
The kids! Ava, where's my school uniform?
I can't find my socks!
Hurry up, Ava!
I'm trying!
Okay, everyone, don't panic. We just need to hurry. Brush your teeth. Ava, wear your shoes.
Mom, we're late!
Mom, are you sick?
No, I'm just very tired. No time for a big breakfast. Toast and bananas. I'll pack their lunch.
I can't eat so fast!
Chew properly, Ben. Don't choke.
Okay, Ava.
Aunt Ada, I don't want plain toast.
Okay. I'll make bread jam rolls. You can eat them on the way. See? Quick breakfast solution.
Yay, jam rolls! So fun!
Keep it simple. Dry fruits for energy. Good idea. How about some almonds and raisins? Oh, that's perfect. Thanks, Ada. Of course, they love it.
Mom, can I have apple slices?
Of course.
I'll cut them.
Ben, do you want apple or banana in your lunch?
Both!
Very funny. Choose one.
Okay, apple.
I'll add some fresh fruits and their main meal.
Mom, did you pack my favorite one?
Yes, your vegetable roll is inside.
Mom, you forgot my water bottle.
Oh, thanks for reminding me, Ava. You look pale. I'm okay. Just didn't sleep enough. Your eyes look tired. It's just one busy morning. Still, you need rest, sis.
Aunt Ada, where's my school bag?
Near the door. I kept it ready.
Oh, thanks!
Can I eat this in the bus?
Yes, but carefully. No jam on your uniform.
Today is so stressful!
This is called a hurry morning. It happens sometimes. All right, lunch packed, fruits packed, dry fruits packed, water bottles ready. Good teamwork. I couldn't do this without you. That's what sisters are for.
Wait, my school bag!
It's on your back, Ben. Did you put your books inside?
Yes, I think.
You think? This is not the time to think.
I hear the bus!
Run! There it is!
Driver uncle, wait!
No, don't go! It didn't stop.
Oh no. Maybe we can still catch it.
It's too far now.
The bus.
We missed it.
Now we'll be very late.
Our teacher will be angry.
Okay, it's all right.
But Mom...
Listen, panicking won't help. We'll find a solution.
What?
Exactly. Getting worried won't bring the bus back.
What do we do now?
I'll call Noah.
Uncle Noah will help!
I should have woken up earlier. Sis, don't blame yourself. It happens.
Mom, it's okay.
Next time, I'll check the alarm too. Noah, can you help? We're in trouble.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. What happened?
Emergency morning situation.
Did someone forget their homework again?
No!
Worse. Iris didn't wake up. The kids missed the bus.
Wait, Iris, missed the alarm? That's rare.
I'm standing right here, Noah.
Ah, the famous early bird overslept today?
Don't tease me. I worked late.
Okay, no teasing. Are the kids ready?
Uniforms on, bags packed, faces slightly stressed.
Uncle Noah, please come fast.
How late are we talking?
Very late! It's 7:20 already.
All right, stay at the gate. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Noah, are you sure? I don't want to disturb you.
Ada, relax. Family first. I was just having my tea.
Good. Please drive safely and come quickly. We're waiting at the gate.
Kids, don't worry. Uncle Noah is on the way.
Yes!
Thank you, Uncle.
Next time, I'll buy you all an extra alarm clock.
Not funny.
See you in 5.
Help is coming.
Uncle Noah always saves the day.
I'm lucky to have you both. That's what family is for, sis.
Good morning, late students.
Uncle Noah, you're a hero!
We missed the bus.
That happens sometimes. Get in.
Thank you so much.
Family helps family. So, who forgot to set the alarm?
Mom, but she worked very late.
Ah, that explains it.
Uncle, why do adults always look so tired?
Because they have many responsibilities. Work, home, family. It can be a lot.
So when Mom feels tired, we should help her?
That would make her very happy.
Uncle Noah, the gate is closing.
Oh no, are we too late?
Don't worry, I'll handle it. Let's go quickly. Maybe we can still make it. Good morning. I'm really sorry. We are only a few minutes late today.
It was a busy morning.
Mom worked very late last night.
Wait a moment. I'll call the teacher.
What happened?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Noah, their uncle. We're really sorry. We are only about 5 minutes late today.
Ben, Ava, are you both ready for class?
Yes, ma'am.
We hurried as fast as we could.
All right, 5 minutes late is not too bad. Please open the gate.
Okay.
But next time, try to come a little earlier. Yes, ma'am, we will.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
All right, children, go to your class now.
Bye, Uncle Noah. Bye.
Have a great day.
Sit down, Iris. There's still so much to do. No, your health is more important. I just feel so tired lately. You can't do everything alone. I don't want the kids to worry. They love you, and they understand. Maybe I need to sleep earlier. And maybe I can help more in the mornings. Thank you, sis. Next time I'll check the alarm too.
Mom, we were only 5 minutes late!
Our teacher said it's okay.
Mom, if you're tired, you don't have to do everything in the morning.
Yes, we can get ready by ourselves. Or we can wake you.
Oh, really? My little alarm clocks?
Yes! I can set the alarm on my watch.
And I can knock on your door and say, "Wake up, Mom." That sounds helpful.
Careful, Iris. Tomorrow they might wake you at 5 a.m.
No! That's too early!
We're not that responsible yet.
I knew it!
But we can help you sometimes.
Thank you, my little helpers, but it's my job to wake you up.
Yes, family teamwork. And Uncle Noah was the driver hero.
At your service.
I'm very lucky.
Why?
Because I have such caring children.
And we have a caring mom.
And tomorrow,
We won't miss the bus.
All right, kids. Early to bed tonight.
Yes, Mom. Good night, everyone.
Good night. And don't forget to set the alarm. Already done.